In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch a video using Google Chrome. Whether you're trying to view a clip for entertainment, learning, or work, I'll guide you through the steps to ensure your experience is seamless. So, let's dive right in and start from the very beginning. The first thing you'll need to do is, of course, open Google Chrome on your computer. Look for that familiar Chrome icon on your desktop or applications folder and click to open it. If you're on a Windows computer, you might find it in your taskbar too. Once you've got Google Chrome open, it's time to search for the video you'd like to watch. The search bar at the top of the browser, also known as the address bar, is where you can enter your query. Suppose you're looking to watch a tutorial on making homemade pizza. Simply type "homemade pizza tutorial video" into the search bar. Then press enter on your keyboard. This should lead you to a list of search results. From the list of search results, you're likely to see many options, including links to YouTube and other video hosting websites. Click on the link of your choice that best matches what you're looking for. Most people tend to choose a YouTube link because of its reliability and ease of use. Once the website with your video opens, you'll need to locate the play button. This is typically represented by a triangle pointing to the right. Click on it to start playing the video. Keep in mind, there are a few controls at your disposal to tailor your viewing experience. If you're watching on YouTube or most video platforms, you'll notice options to adjust the volume, change video quality, and even expand to full screen for a more immersive experience. To do this, look for a gear-like icon that represents settings and a rectangular icon for full screen. These tools can greatly enhance your viewing, especially if you're trying to catch all the details in high definition or need to mute the sound for a quieter environment. Another handy tip is to ensure your internet connection is stable. Video playback tends to be smoothest on high-speed internet. If you notice any buffering, check your connection and make sure other devices aren't using up too much bandwidth in your household. If the video isn't playing as expected even after all this, you might want to refresh the page by clicking the circular arrow icon next to the address bar. Sometimes, that's all it takes to resolve minor playback issues. So here you have it, the simple yet effective way to watch videos on Google Chrome. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you're unsure, and before you know it, you'll be a pro at watching videos online with minimal hassle. Thanks for watching, and happy viewing.